Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we got an exciting upgrade for my bike that I've been wanting to share with you. But before we dive into the unboxing and installation, let me show you what's been going on with my current setup. So, as you can see, the odometer isn't fritz, not showing my speed, so that's not good, especially when you're cruising through the city. So it's time for an upgrade. Let's jump into the unboxing of this Torp Display. I've heard good things about it, and I can't wait to see how it performs. The build looks pretty nice, kind of like the Egg Rider display. It's got the Torp name on it. Handlebar clasp and the plug. Here's a little bit of a closer look. Let's jump into the install. To install this bad boy, it's pretty easy. We're just going to open up the controller cover. And here we see that there's a available port for us to plug into directly to the controller. And we just take off the cover, and then we can plug in the new display. Now what's nice is we don't have to go up through the bike. We can just route the wires up and through the outside of the bike. But first you want to get this little clip on, get the wires through so that they're nice and tight and not dangling all over the place. We want to just keep the wire management nice and tidy, and then we can slap the cover back on nice and easy and put both bolts back in. And here's my favorite part of any install. Oh yeah. Clean. Let's get this thing powered on. Here we have the speedometer, which is finally working, so I can see how fast I'm going. Nice. And I kept the Sport and Eco switch just because I like the tactile response of it versus using the button on the display. One nice thing is, if I hold this button for a couple seconds, you see it says Surron, basically puts the bike into stock speed settings. And just turn it off again by holding the button. Some settings here we can cycle through, some peaks, and use the top button to go to the next page. Power, speed, I don't know what IBAT is, not sure. A lot of this info is not too useful while you're riding. Then we got the temperatures, controller, battery, and the motor. Some information of the firmware, not sure how useful that is, and the odometer. I lost the progress I had on the old one, unfortunately. Last errors, which there are none, and some settings for temperature and speed. So that about does it. Pretty nice. I like that it gives me the efficiency and the trip, how many miles it's taken, so pretty good stuff. Thanks for watching.